Hi, I'm Monique Alvarez, co-owner of On Top Internet Marketing, and today I'm going to talk to you about why your restaurant should have a blog. Yesterday we talked about the things to say on your Facebook fan page and how frequently to say it. Well, today I'm going to show you why it's important for you to have a blog, even if you already have a website. First of all, what's a blog? Well, I'm glad you asked. For our purposes, restaurant marketing, a blog is basically a website with a business address, a menu, contact info, reviews that can constantly be updated with helpful, useful, or interesting info for your customers. Basically, it gives people a reason to keep coming back to your site. For example, how cool would it be if you added a new article or video about your restaurant to your website once or twice a month? It would show the unique process of maybe how you create your food. Or you could show an awesome Saturday night, all the people out, the music playing, and the Spanish dancing. Or you can let everyone know that you've started happy hour Monday through Friday, 4 to 6 p.m. Or you can even let people know about the latest raving review that your restaurant received. You can also offer catering services. All of this would be helpful information to your customers, and it's stuff that they can get excited about, and they may not have known about otherwise. However, there's another reason that it really pays to have a blog, and it's this: you can get your site ranked at the top of the search engines. For example, if you own a pizza restaurant and your blog is always talking about pizza, your chances of ranking at the top of Google when people type in your city plus pizza restaurant is going to greatly increase. And in case you didn't know, ranking at the top of Google for keywords, that gets your business huge exposure. Statistics show that the top 4 organic listings on the search results get 80% of the clicks. There is, of course, more to ranking at the top of Google than just writing about a topic with keywords thrown in. And I'll tell you 2 other parts that you need in tomorrow's lesson.